Welcome back, Tech Neighbors. So today we'll be taking a look at the side touch for gaming on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So first you have to activate App Assistant and then access your game via Game Center. We've loaded up PUBG Mobile using Phone Clone, and now we just wait for it to load and enter training. First of all, you need to swipe from the top left corner and select LR button. Then set the position using the L and R virtual buttons. Save when you're done. Now, when you press the top left and top right screen areas, you can activate the actions. It doesn't have to be both the fire buttons, and you can customize it, say the right button for the zoom. It's not just PUBG Mobile though, and it should work for all games, so here's Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see, it doesn't take long to set the positions, so you can get up and running in just a couple of seconds. The Huawei Game Center saves this LR button position for each game, so you don't need to reset it each time you start a different game. This transforms the Mate 30 Pro into a hardcore gaming phone. Give it a go on your Mate 30 Pro and stay tuned to TechNave.com.